Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's your slightly less sunburnt boy here today. Still pretty, still going pretty strong though. But today we're here and we're going to discuss how you guys can cop the Air Jordan 9 Change the World sneakers. As you guys know, these are dropping in pretty much, I think it's 2 days. Today's the 29th. My phone's charging, so it's not 29th. Yeah, today's the 29th. So in 2 days, these are going to be dropping, and you can definitely make some money off them. You know, there's been a lot of really interesting different types of shoes dropping on sneakers lately. You notice it hasn't just been Dunks or just been Jordan 1s. We've had some Air Maxes here and there, some really interesting shoes coming up down the line, and you know, this is another one. We got a Jordan 9 here that's hyped, so I'm going to discuss it. And I'm sorry to anybody that does wear bigger than a size 10.5. You cannot wear this shoe. It is only going up to a size 12W in women, so that's super unfortunate for you all. I feel bad. But let's just get into how to cop this shoe. So I hope you guys will enjoy. You want more videos like this, subscribe and like. I'd appreciate it. Again, the goal for this video, I'm gonna make something simple, so let's just go for like 207 likes. That's what I'm gonna go for. So if we could hit that, that'd be dope. And you can also check my Discord in the description if you want to. But I've been talking for too long now, as I can notice. Let's just get into the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am here with the screen recording, and I do have my Instagrams on the screen, so if you want to go check me out, give me the follow, I'd appreciate it. This and my reselling account are down below, and I will eventually be posting my reselling account just when it's time to sell my investments. So aside from that, let's just get into the shoe and its release. So first information I want to discuss about the shoe is it is retailing for $190, and it is dropping March 31st, and don't forget the normal drop time is always 10 a.m. Eastern time, or if you're on the Pacific coast, you're going to get up at 7 a.m. because you know they drop it early over there on that coast, so don't forget about that. It's 3 hours earlier over on the West Coast compared to the East Coast, so you know we get to sleep in over here. Not unfortunately, I like that we get to sleep in. I would hate waking up at 7 a.m. for any releases, and I would never be doing any sort of live cops either if that was the case. But yeah, just again, aside from that, $190 retail, it will be worth it to pay. It is a high price, but pretty sure that's normal for Jordan 9s, and also just you'll see the resale and you'll see that it's normal. So it is only going up to size 12W, and a couple features about the sneakers. Why I saw these, actually, I think the first person I saw these on was, because I remember everybody on Instagram was roasting them. They were like, what are you doing? Why are you wearing 2 different color shoes? And then eventually, I think it was like this Florida rapper named Glockna. Yeah, as you guys can see, again, this is just again, a pretty interesting pair of 9s. It just got like orange, kind of a lighter green. I think it's even got a burgundy back here, and then purple. So yeah, it's like purple here, and then it's also, yeah, kind of like this like maroon, like a burgundy here, and then this is like, I don't even know what this is. I don't know what color I could describe this as, but yeah, it's got a lot of colors on the shoe, and I think it's not terribly, not like a terrible looking shoe. Personally, not my taste. I wouldn't rock this shoe, but again, if it's your taste, then go for it. But yeah, just kind of looking at it, see only women's sizing, no grade school, nothing for this one yet dropping, or any men's sizing. I don't think there will be. I don't know if there is any that have been dropping, but I only know the women's sizing for right now. So the shoe's pretty cool. I mean, it's got good design. It's got the whole like change the world, so it has like some design aspect on it. I mean, clearly has design aspect. You see the different colors and all that, but we're not here to really discuss this design on it. It is a cool pair of 9s, but again, I'm not a fan of 9s. Has a lot of details on it, and it's just they'll be easy to clean. That's one thing I can say. They will be easy to clean because the choice material, shout at them, will not be a hard pair of shoes to clean. But if you scuff them, and they trashed. They're gonna get cut. But not a big deal really again. So aside from that, let's just kind of get into resale right now on these ones. So as you can see, women's sizing only. You go check the market right now, 12W. All those bigger sizes, basically the ones that the guys can rock too, are going for a little bit more. So those smaller sizes for this shoe are not the ones you want to go for. Anything under a 7.5 is going for less than 300, and I think even a size 7.5, those sizes are going to drop below 300. But if you go kind of see those bigger sizes, anything like even 9.5 plus, I mean, we're talking 330, 360 right there, and that's some serious profit off 190 right there for one pair of shoes. That's at least 120 bucks right there. So you see the resale market right now, it's doing pretty strong. These have been going up ever since the stimmy check, kind of around that time. It went up even a little more, and these have just kind of continued going on up. People are spending their check on them because that's what people want. And there's plenty of 9s again that go for money. You can see a couple examples here, and this one does have a lot of sales, 660 sales, and it is again dropping on that 31st day, with that retail right there. But you can see 662 sales today. The average is going for like what they say is like 314. But I mean, you can just go look at some of the recent sales. So just go look at the recent sales for some of these sizes. A lot of sales today and yesterday. So the shoe's popular. Look at like 10W, 8W. All of these are above 280. So it's looking pretty good. So my personal resale estimation on these, I think once all the pairs drop, it's looking like there's not too many. I mean, Snkrs and a couple foot site locations, no no Raffles to what I know right now. I think this one will probably be going, I'm thinking around, this could be a low ball, but I'm thinking around 245, and I'm gonna say 290, and I'm gonna put plus on the 290 because those bigger sizes are probably going to be going for 300 plus, but I'm just gonna put 245 to 390 because I'm thinking those smaller sizes might kind of 245 is the lowest they would go to. I don't think they'll go there. I probably think they'll stay around 260, 270, but I'm just putting the range, you know what I mean, so you guys can see I'm being reasonable there. And I just think they'll kind of naturally drop, and they will probably go back up. You know, I don't think these is like I don't think there's like a hold or anything, but I think if they drop 20 bucks, they'll go back up over the 20 bucks over the summer. So I will constantly look at these ones though, because they are interesting. It does seem like they are a favorite to some people. So with that in mind, they could be a hold. I've never really held a pair of 9s, nor have I really looked into them. But this got, I think, my first how-to cop for a pair of 9s. But yeah, this one's hyped, so definitely not going to ignore it. So Resell is definitely looking good for this one, and I'm definitely going to be looking into this drop, and hopefully I'll be able to get it. You know, because this is going to be one I'm wanting to get. So aside from that, and you know, this release, where it's dropping, and how you guys can get it, because it will be worth the money. Let's kind of discuss how you guys can actually cop this release off the Snkrs app. So my first piece of advice I want to give is I actually always kind of show this notepad. This is a notepad that I actually use on this Snkrs how to cop video right here, and as you guys know, I always link my Snkrs how to cop kind of like guide down below in the description. So if you guys want to know how to make multiple accounts on Snkrs, I won't discuss it here particularly in this video, but I have this video right here that I've made like a week ago, my new and updated version. Instead of using the old one, I made a new one. So if you want to go check it out, really explains again how to make multiple accounts on Snkrs. I kind of run through this notepad right here, and I discuss the whole process, kind of the important steps, different payment methods, what's like required for different accounts, like different phone numbers and all that. You know, again, like how to change up the address. That's another thing I discussed in the account, and a couple other tips on like how to check out faster in Snkrs, like using Touch ID, you know, using a computer, etc. And that's what you guys got to do right there. So yeah, that's how you guys can make multiple Snkrs accounts, and I'll link this video, this one right here, down below, so you guys can kind of understand how you can take more dubs than Snkrs, and what you got to do to get a release just like this one by making multiple accounts. And I promise you, you'll eventually hit. I mean, a lot of people tell me, like, they're like, hey, you know, I've been hitting so long, but it'll work, especially with this method. The more accounts you got going, it'll look stronger for you, and you'll eventually get there, get a good release. But yeah, aside from the notepad right here, again, I want to give a huge shout out to my guys again, as always, to Secret Sauce right here. Again, they are a $60 monthly fee, and they're definitely my go-to cook group with copying releases just like this one right here. And how they could copy and release just like this one right here, since it is dropping on a couple foot site places, if they do have these ticket providers in their group chat. And these ticket providers, what they are is they run slots for you guys, and these slots, what they are, I mean, they have so many different ways that you can make money in their chat. Like, it's pretty crazy what they discuss, and like all the different things that they have and different ways you can make money, like stocks, NFTs, early links, monitors. You know, you can add to cart off different foot sites. But kind of getting into the slot system, this is the main thing where they would actually get releases for you. Basically, what you got to do is, if you join the group chat and like you're in the section again, that ticket section again, it takes you to the site once you enter the ticket section, and it basically, there's these paid and free slots. And what you do is, you like, let's say you enter in a free slot, all you got to do is just this Google form, you put in your shipping and payment info, and then these guys, the trusted ticket providers that, you know, Secret Sauce has, they put it into their bots and cop releases for you guys. And that's really how it works. It's how it worked for me. They caught me plenty of releases. They just got me the easy what was it, the foam runner sands. They just got me those, so you guys are going to be seeing the unboxing for those soon. And they've been consistently caught me a lot of stuff recently, so thank you to them for that. And they can do the same for you guys right there. They can copy releases with the free slots or the paid ones. The paid slots are just the same thing, just you have to pay somebody after, like the little fee they ask for before. It'll all be explained there if you're confused about it in the group chat right there. But these guys can cop releases just like this for you, and really even show you how to get releases. Like, it's not just about that. They can teach you, you know, like with that one-on-one help, they can teach you, you know, how to start, you know, getting releases. And it's a really dope group chat, and they can really bring you in is to help you start making money. As long as you take advantage of everything in there, you will definitely make your profit, and you'll definitely easily be able to pay that $60 monthly fee. It's no problem to me, so you don't have to worry about it either. So aside from that, you know, that's a great group chat right there. And if you guys want to go check out my guys at Secret Sauce down below, as always, then just go to Twitter right there and send them a message and be like, yo, Tristan sent me, how can I get in? That's if you want to get in right there. That's how you can do it. And yeah, huge shout out to them as always. So aside from that, I also want to say I'm going to be linking this article down below, this House of Heat article. It's kind of showing all the places and potential places where there might be a couple raffles going on right here. I didn't have a Raffles Snkrs article about it, but there might be a couple places right here, as you can see, like on End, SNS, like 43 Einhob, Slam Jam. These places might have a couple raffles going on, so check these places too. But I'm going to link this House of Heat article down below that kind of shows you all where there are some places that there will be some foot sites, again, like Finish Line, JD Sports, typical places like that, Foot Locker, that are dropping this pair of Air Jordan 9 Change the Worlds for retail. And don't forget, you can definitely get the slots right there to cop off those foot sites too. Hopefully they'll be running for this release, since it will definitely be profitable. And it doesn't look like there really is too many pairs dropping, because I don't even know about the raffles. I don't see any confirmed raffles as of now, but there are some sites here apparently. And sneaker links, these are the confirmed foot sites again, as always. And sneaker news, they just have like the foot sites also here. So aside from that, that's so you guys can cop the Air Jordan 9 Change the World for retail off Snkrs and different foot sites where it will be dropping. So I'm gonna end the screen recording right here, and your boy is gonna go get less sunburn. So let's roll that outro. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Again, if you all do want more content just like this video right here, where I can show you all how to get releases like this one, then be sure you guys go ahead and subscribe below, but also drop a like in this video if you want. Again, it goes a long way. It just kind of shows me that you want videos like this is the kind of content that you guys find helpful. So if you could hit, I think it was like 207 likes is what I asked for, then I'd appreciate it, and it'd go a long way too. Don't forget, comment any questions you have, ask them down below. I will answer them as always. I'm down in my comment section, somewhat often, and I will answer it within like a few hours or at least a day or so. You will get a response, so do not worry. I'm in my comment section as long as I understand it and all that. But yeah, also you can check my Instagrams and Discord down below, down in the description. As I said, I am active on the Discord, so you will see me pop in there every once in a while, kind of help y'all out, or just just talk, whatever's. And yeah, the IG's down there in the description also if you want to go give me the follow there. So that's really everything gotta mention, everything gotta say. So I'm Tristan, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.